what's Etsy? So what is Etsy? And also Etsy dropshipping as well. I'll answer that question. So Etsy is a marketplace. So it's similar to eBay and Amazon. Don't think Shopify. Think eBay and Amazon, okay, a marketplace. You're selling on their platform. They're bringing the traffic to you. So that means it's very, very easy to sell on and very easy to kind of get a pretty good going with it. But yeah, eBay or Amazon, but it's built for 40-year-old women to sell on, right? The average age of an Etsy seller is 39 years old. So pretty simple, right? Pretty simple. I don't know. I've answered this question so many times. My mind's kind of blanking almost. But yeah, Etsy's a marketplace. eBay or Amazon, think that. You sell goods on there. You sell. Oh, that's one thing. Fuck. I've answered so many questions so many times. I'm fucking literally blanking on it. The difference between eBay and Amazon, and then also Etsy, is that eBay and Amazon are for toilet paper. You buy, I don't know, Red Bull on there. You buy shitty, boring biro pens. You buy different things like that, right? Whereas Etsy is actually for interesting stuff. It's for unique items. It's for, I don't have anything on my desk, but it's for unique items. Think like cool lighting. Think neon signs that are customizable. Think things that are actually interesting and actually different from what people purchase every single day. Think different things, okay?